afternoon, friends. Welcome to the 10th. Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the 10th IPL match between Bombay RCB vs Bombay Indians. Before knowing the review of this video, please go to the Telegram channel and type Target for Granley so that you will get my channel. So please subscribe my Telegram channel so that if there is any change in the lineups or so that I will tell you in my Telegram channel only, and I will give you the free teams in my Telegram channel. If you see the previous teams also, so that you can subscribe my Telegram channel by seeing that one. Now I will start my preview, so I will not waste your time. I will tell you briefly, so please listen carefully. When will be Dubai International Stadium and pitch report? We have had 4 matches in Dubai so far, and the first inning scores have been 157, 163, 206, 175. Another important aspect is that the teams and batted first won all 4 contests. This means that the pitch slows up a bit in the second innings. However, all the stats go for a toss when we have players like Kohli and Rohit fighting for a winning. And venue stats will be average first inning score is 175 from four games played at this venue so far in this season, and average second inning score is 138 from 4 matches at this venue as so far in this season. And we will know the stats of head-to-head stats. Played 25 matches, and Bombay won 16 matches and RCB won 9 matches. And possible playing line will be RCB, Aaron Finch, Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Josh Phillips, Shivam Dube, Washington Sundar, Chris Morris or Dale Steyn, Navdeep Saini, Yuzvendra Chahal, Umesh Yadav or Mohammad Siraj. Bombay Indians playing line will be Quinton de Kock, Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Kieron Pollard, Saurabh Tiwari, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya, James Patterson, Rahul Chahar, Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt. These are the exact playing 11 of the both teams, and we will know the stats of the both teams, so listen carefully. A. Finch is the another district opening batsman, 77 matches, 1,783 runs, and another young talent player Devdutt Padikkal will open the innings along with Aaron Finch, 2 matches, 57 runs. These two players are very distractive and very important players. And coming to the Virat Kohli is the world number one best batsman, 179 matches, 5,427 runs. AB de Villiers is also another important player. He will play as per the situation, and the stats are 156 matches, 4,474 runs. Josh Phillips, he didn't impress with two innings, also 2 matches, 1 run, and he can maybe Chris Morris can come in place of Josh Phillips, 61 matches, 571 runs and 69 wickets. Shivam Dube, 4-down batsman, 6 matches, 59 runs and 4 wickets. Washington Sundar, 5-down batsman, 23 matches, 105 runs, 16 wickets. Dale Steyn or Udana, there is a high possible chances of Udana only 135 matches, 905 runs and 145 wickets, and he can be promoted also because he is a very good hitter also. And coming to the Umesh Yadav, 7-down batsman, 121 matches, 119 wickets, or he can replace with Mohammad Siraj, 58 matches, 79 wickets, and there is a lot of high possibilities of Umesh Yadav only because he have very good record against Bombay Indians. And Navdeep Saini, 8-down batsman, 15 matches, 13 wickets. Yuzvendra Chahal, 9-down batsman, 86 matches, 104 wickets. Bowling combination for RCB, if Umesh Yadav is there, he will open the innings. Otherwise, Udana, Navdeep Saini and Chris Morris. Middle order bowling combination will be Yuzvendra Chahal, Washington Sundar and Shivam Dube will bowl 2 to 3 overs as per the situation only. And Shivam Dube, he can get some 2 to 3 wickets from previous two matches. Depth bowling combination will be Udana, Navdeep Saini. If Chris Morris is there, he will do ball in the depth order. And important players from RCB is Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, Udana, Chris Morris and Umesh Yadav. Stats of Mumbai Indians players are Quinton de Kock, 50 matches, 1,456 runs, and he didn't play very impressive innings from last 2 matches, but he can play very well in this match because he loves to play with pacers only, because RCB have a lot of pace bowling, so that Quinton de Kock can be a dangerous batsman in this match. Rohit Sharma is another important destructive batsman, 188 matches, 4,898 runs as per our fantasy. If Rohit Sharma will play one innings, he can get out in the next innings, so that it's your choice. If you want to leave him, you can leave him. If you want to take him, you can go with him. It's your choice only. Suryakumar Yadav, 1-down batsman, 85 matches, 154 runs. And Saurabh Tiwari is also another left-hand batsman, very important player, 83 matches, 1,386 runs. And Hardik Pandya is the 3-down batsman, 56 matches, 1,068 runs and 42 wickets. Krunal Pandya, as per situation, Krunal Pandya can promote in place of Hardik Pandya, and Hardik Pandya can come in place of Krunal Pandya. 891 runs and 40 wickets. Kieron Pollard, as he is very important while Bombay Indians batting first, because if the wicket goes early, so that Kieron Pollard can be a very dangerous batsman in first innings. 148 matches, 2,355 runs, and James Patterson is also another good batsman. 22 matches, 11 runs, 3 wickets. Trent Boult 33 matches, 38 wickets. Rahul Chahar 16 matches, 15 wickets. Jasprit Bumrah 77 matches, 82 wickets. Opening bowling combination is Trent Boult, James Patterson, Bumrah, and middle order bowling combination is Rahul Chahar, Krunal Pandit, Kieron Pollard, and the bowling combination will be Trent Boult, Jay Patterson, and Jay Bumrah. Important players from MI is De Kock, as I said, he can bat very well in this innings. And Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, and Kieron Pollard. Bumrah head-to-head stats of both teams and weaknesses. Batsman is Virat Kohli, has a very good record against Mumbai Indians. 4 matches, 170 runs, and got 1 time for Bumrah and 1 time out for Hardik Pandya. While chasing, Kohli is very dangerous batsman. AB de Villiers 3 matches, 148 runs, have a very good record against Mumbai Indians. Suryakumar Yadav, who doesn't have very good record against RCB, 4 matches, 85 runs, 2 times he got out for Umesh Yadav and 2 times for Chahal. So that if the wicket goes very early, so the Suryakumar will come to bat, and if Umesh Yadav will bowl, there is a high chance possibilities to that, so that Suryakumar Yadav can get only very out in the early overs only. Rohit Sharma 4 matches, 161 runs, got out 2 times for Umesh Yadav. Struggles little bit with spin. If anyone bowls in the power play like Washington Sundar or Chahal, he can get out early only. Hardik Pandya is another good batsman. 4 matches, 136 runs, not out 3 times with RCB match, important player. And De Kock also struggles with spin. He played only 2 matches in the previous year only, 63 runs. And Finch can get out early because he struggles with swing bowling. And MI have Trent Boult and Patterson, but if he plays that swing bowling, he will be very dangerous. And important bowlers is Jasprit Bumrah, 4 matches, 6 wickets. Hardik Pandya 4 matches, 4 wickets. Hardik Pandya is a question mark because he is not bowling from 2 matches, and because he is uncomfortable. If he is comfortable with bowling, he can bowl like 2 to 3 hours also. And Umesh Yadav has, I said, very good record, 4 matches, 6 wickets. Mohammad Siraj 3 matches, 5 wickets. And Yuzvendra Chahal 4 matches, 4 wickets. And remember that RCB middle order batsman is very important. And note points are, if RCB balls first, you can leave Yuzvendra Chahal because MI batting will be very slow in the middle orders. But if RCB balls second, Chahal will be very important because if the batsman goes pressure, so that while coming Yuzvendra Chahal, they will think that they can hit the ball like sixes or fours, so that they can get some wickets. So that's why Yuzvendra Chahal is very important. And try to go with opening and depth bowlers because they can get very good wickets, because in the power play they can get some good swing, and in the depth orders they can get very important wickets because the batsman looks like very dangerous to hit the ball like sixes on fours. If the ball misses, they can get some crucial wickets. So depth and opening bowlers are very important, so try to go with that bowling combination. And coming to the expected today Virat Kohli and de Villiers show, because this Virat Kohli previous 2 matches he failed with batting, so he can come back with a strong batting, so that these 2 players can make some magical show in this today's match. And captain and vice captain choices are Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, de Villiers, Hardik Pandya, and De Kock. And try to play different fantasy apps like Player Sports and Ballebaazi also. If you like this video, please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel, and share this video to your friends. Thank you, friends.